was a good one. Jesus. Fuck's sakes. Oh, fuck. Thanks for the bar ends again. Jeez. Oh, yeah. No dent. No dent in the pipe. Nope. Pipe's good. Camera good. Body good. So you guys saw that. First thing to always hit is the elbow. I never wear elbow pads. The last time I was out, I got a big fucking bruise on my arm there below my elbow. And now I just hit above it. Probably gonna have a bruise there too. I do have elbow pads, but fuck, I can't find them in my house. Looks like I kind of hit the top there. Didn't smash the glass, which is good. Nothing else is wrecked. Throttle's good. Rad's good. Pipe's good. Yeah, I just kind of clipped the edge of that rock, sent me front wheel right into that one. Stopped dead. Fell over and hit this one. And on we go. Oh, somebody's coming. Wearing the elbows. Seems like every time I fall I hit my elbows. I mean, my right elbow's got a bunch of metal in it from surgery. Skateboarding. Oh, looks like somebody else is coming. Let him by.